Chola dynasty, as you know, three dynasties were there in South India. Those were very important kingdoms. Those were Chalukyas, Pandavas, but apart from it, main were the Cholas, the Cheras, and Pandyas. Actually, all the kingdoms emerged and declined during this period. This period means, in this era means 700 CE to 1200 CE. After that, the Chola ruler got very important place in that areas. The important rulers of the Chola were, these are the important rulers. First is what? In this slide, you will learn about the important rulers and achievements and their achievements. First is Vijayalaya, who is known as the founder of this dynasty. I mean Chola dynasty. Chola defeated Pandavas and local rulers and established and consolidated their power. They got victory over Sri Lanka, Maldives, Lakshadweep, etc. They spread Indian religion as well as culture, right, in abroad. I mean, in abroad, in foreign countries, they have spread their culture, religion, because they had the trade relation also. They send their people to spread the religion, culture in other countries. He extended his empire by getting captured by capturing Nellore and from Nellore to Pudukkottai and Mysore to Madras, right? So this was the achievement of Vijayalaya. Now next is Prantaka first. As we know, he was the grandson of Vijayalaya, and he was also a very powerful and popular king. He was an efficient ruler, I mean capable ruler. He defeated the Pandya king of Madurai and ruled for 46 years from 907 to 953 CE. Okay? So in this way, this was the achievement of Prantaka first. Now after that, most important ruler of this dynasty was Raja Raja I, right? Raja Raja I was the most important ruler. He became very popular by the dint of his hard labor and welfare work, right? He was the greatest ruler of the Chola kingdom. Chola kingdom got its supreme power, I mean very important power under his rule. Okay, under his rule. Policy of the conquest for 14 years were followed by him, in which he got conquest on maximum part. He got victory over Chalukyas, that was in Bengi. Chalukya is the name of kingdom. Kerala and Madurai, these two areas, territories, were also covered by him, I mean was made a part of his kingdom. He built Rajarajeshwar temple at Tanjore, right? He built Rajarajeshwar temple at Tanjore, and nowadays this is also very famous. People go to worship there. They spread, right? Spread he spread the message of Vedas among the common people. So one important question can come: name the ruler of Chola dynasty who spread Vedas among the common people. Naturally, you will have to write or to say the name of this kingdom, this king, and what is the name of this king? You know, this is Raja 1. So in this way, these are the important. These were the important rulers, right, in this kingdom. Now, next one, last one, I am giving you the some hints and explanation about this one. Next ruler was Rajendra Chola. He was the son of Raja 1 and ruled for 28 years. He extended the empire over Andaman Nicobar, Sumatra, Malaya, and Pegu. He defeated to Mahipala, the ruler of Bihar and Bengal. So he earned name and fame in his kingdom. He took the title of Gangai Kundai, which means victor of Ganga. I mean, one who has conquered the area of Ganga. The empire declined due to the regular wars and conflicts in 1279 CE or AD. Kingdom of Vijayanagar replaced the Chola kingdom. What does it mean? After that, Vijayanagar kingdom emerged and it took control over the territory of Chola, and in this way, his empire declined. Is it clear? Now, it is the time of the test. I am going to give you the link. So please, you see the link. Okay. Now I'm going to share it. You listen carefully. Right. Just now. Wait. This is the. Are you looking at it? Just a minute. Just a minute. Here it is given, and now I am writing the code also, passcode. That is this is there. You can write it. Is it visible? It is not going on. If it is visible, you can write by the help of this one. Okay, you can see not visible. Have you got? Have you got? Yes, yes, you have got. Again, I have given. I hope that you have got. Write it. I have already sent. May it be net problem. I have already sent. Have you got? Okay, I have already sent. Some students are making it, I mean writing the answer. So all of you try to write. Passcode and link is already given. If it is not open in your chat box, by the help of Chrome, you can open it. Do it.